Bro, who in here? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Surfing in Bill.
Yeah. On the side, it's some camo. Yeah. You're a magician, I'm a judge. Disappear, reappear, take your song. It's some grim reapers. I'm shaking, saying jeepers, creepers. There's blood on my shirt, gotta go to the cleaners. Yeah. There's blood on my shirt, gotta go to the cleaners. It's some camo. Yeah.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Spurf back in this guy with a brand new video. As you see, we're at the beach. What were you saying, sister? No. But yeah, thank you for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video. If you subscribe or you already been subscribed or you just subscribed, I appreciate you. That didn't rhyme, but y'all fuck with it. You getting in the water? No. Yeah.
But I might gang. He broke gang. I'm probably going to start. It's cold. Oh, it's freezing in there.
Paw prints. The water coat? I don't know how they in there. Jesus.
It went between my toes.
I want to flip on this. I'm gonna see that.
Okay. What was that, seashell? Anything for a seashell.
Oh yeah, that look nice. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna like step right there, but I'm gonna like try to learn it. Alright. Alright, you ready? Was that better? Bro, it's so cold. Oh, we should skip rocks. You got used to it?
Yeah.
This shit cold.
Calm down. Please stay calm. Are you kidding?
This shit is mad cold, no lie. I be scared to walk on this shit, 'cause I be feeling like it's crabs and shit under the sand.
Oh, yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not bad once you get in. For the legs, at least. Hey, you guys want to take a thumbnail with me? You guys want to take a thumbnail with me? A thumbnail. You ain't gotta be in the water. Alright, so that just basically means like this gonna be the cover for the video. Alright, so I need all.
Our feet and it's gonna turn people on.
They gotta pay for that.
They gonna click it.
Y'all wanna be in the thumbnail? No? But the more people in the thumbnail, the more people gonna click the video. Alright, ready? Oh shit. Hold on, I'm gonna try to make it like y'all standing on my hands. I wonder if that's why. I'm gonna have to look at that. Hell yeah. I don't know why, but it's low-key like a nice freeze. I should have wore shorts. I had shorts in my book bag too. I didn't even think. Y'all probably gonna try that quirk again a little later because I almost landed that guy. If I land that shit, I'm gonna be stoked. Oh, we should try to make like sandcastles too. But you know how this dog out. You wanna play Zach? Yeah. Alright. Alright, how about whoever get the most skips? I mean the least skips. Gotta be it. Bro, I didn't even know my knee was bleeding.
Your knee is bleeding?
Yeah.
Oh,
What the hell?
that's great.
And it's sand on my shit. I didn't even feel it. I wanted to sand like hill this year or something. I don't know if it's good or not. Damn, y'all. Nigga just scraped their knee out of it. I'm still gonna do that shit though, I ain't gonna lie. Whatever. Boats out here. I think we walking the pier later. I lost my AirPods over there a long time ago. Currently, Zach's a merman. Go like this. Boo! That was terrible. About this stuff to come out. Ah, like the Undertaker. Oh shit! Run! It was a bee behind. A big ass bee.
Probably a carpenter. Oh god.
I want to elbow it. Oh. 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 You right?
I couldn't see.
Did your legs get out?
He was literally. Did you see my feet? He literally, my feet were in the sand. He just kept pulling them.
Yeah.
No, the sand. Terrible. Oh, that hurt.
Y'all want to have a beach race?
Nah.
Lame. You want to have a beach?
Yeah.
Get
No,
your
please. I actually don't want to get sand in my. The sand on me.
Exactly. Exactly.
But I'm trying to get in the car with a sand. Did you get sand in my hair?
There's a fuck ton of people over there.
Focus.
Let me make sure I did it.
Oh, this shit cold. We are in justice. Whoa, what the fuck is up with these birds?
They don't fucking crack.
I swear.
Shit, like y'all be smoking.
They keep they keep flying. Oh shit. These motherfuckers are wild, bro. Fucking birds are crackheads. What the fuck? They probably playing tag.
This water not that bad.
Nah, after a while it felt better. It felt good.
Alex, I wrote your name.
Oh, I thought you put this.
Oh.
I was gonna say, I wrote your name.
Alright. I finna put my shit all the way up. The water just splashed me. It keeps splashing my leg. This shit get deep.
Yeah, I'm gonna move. That water look dirty as hell.
Ew, it look like it get dirty here.
Like, it's yellow. I'm gonna go back. Nasty ass water.
Thumbnail. Another one, just in case. Sicko.
It's actually not even cold to me no more.
It's not. I'm glad we didn't get to where the seaweed at, bro.
Yeah, I was gonna keep going. Alright, good,
It feel like it get warmer coming back.
yeah.
I got the thighs out, boy. They keep splashing my ass.
Thighs out. Everybody did some movies. Join us.
Look, it look like when I step. You know like how they be in the movies? They like Superman step and he break the ground. Look.
Wait, my pants don't go up. Wait. The pants don't go up.
You have your wristband? Stroke. Stop mocking me.
Oh yeah, they finna come through that wave for me.
They won't go up any higher.
This shit cold. We should go kayaking again.
Yeah.
We try to go like all the way out there.
That's what I did with Serena. That shit's scary for me though, cause I can't swim.
Man, you go with me. I got you.
You gonna carry me all the way back?
Yeah.
Yeah, I probably had to give me a life jacket.
They got some right there.
Well, I ain't going out there that right now, motherfucker.
No, I mean,
Why they going so slow? I was hoping they were gonna go fast with a water wave, kids. I'm gonna go further out.
You have to have a wristband to be over here. You can't do that. Do you have your wristband? Go ahead and wash it. Huh?
place we should go is, you see that sandhill over there? We should go over there.
You want to run up with the sandhill?
Run up it? Nah, I did that before as a workout.
I want to roll down it.
That
Okay.
shit hurt.
It hurt.
It burned because it's like you run up a hill and then the sand is pulling you down as you run.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.